I know it's hard to get started on Kindle Direct Publishing when you have a limited budget or no budget at all. You can certainly get started on KDP without spending any money at all. So sit back as I show you how you can do this and what free tools you can use to get started. There is no need to take any notes, as I've included all the links in the description below. As you start to earn with KDP, then you consider the next steps and get the essential paid tools to help you grow your KDP business. So let's go through the steps of publishing with KDP with a zero budget. Step 1. Open your KDP account on Amazon. It costs you nothing to do this. If you have not done this step, head over to kdp.amazon.com to set up your account. Be sure to complete all the sections including your payment and taxation details. Step 2. Install Amazon Suggestion Expander. This is a free browser extension that will help you find niches for your book. As the name suggests, it expands the search suggestions in Amazon, showing you expanded keywords that Amazon suggests. This is a great free tool to use. Step 3. Choose a free editing program. You can use Google Docs or Microsoft Word Online. Both of these offer free word processing tools that you can use to create your book. You can easily create journals, activity books, craft books, recipe books, how-to books, and much more with these free word processing tools. Both of these tools allow you to save your finished work as a PDF, which is required for uploading to KDP. Google Docs allows you to save the file as an EPUB format, which is used in other ebooks. Step 4. Get a free Canva account. Now this is essential. Canva is the ultimate free design creation tool. It is easy to use and perfect for creating your book. You can even use this tool without the need for the tools I mentioned in Step 3. Canva also allows for downloading your completed book in PDF format. Canva is a great resource for designing your book cover. Step 5. Kindle Create. This is another free tool provided by Amazon. Kindle Create is the easiest way to publish ebooks. Download the tool and either work within the software or upload your document file straight in. It is an easy way to set up chapters and format your ebook. Starting out with ebooks is the simplest way to get started with KDP. I recommend you try this first before creating a paperback version of your book. It will get you used to the KDP platform. You can watch this video here where I provide a quick demonstration on using Kindle Create. Remember, quality and consistency is the key to success. If you're having trouble getting started, watch this video where I give you some great tips on how the 5-second rule can help you break free from procrastination and start earning online with KDP. Step 6. Free resources for colouring books. So here are some online resources where you can download free images to edit and use in your book creations. Remember, don't just use the images as they are. Be creative and make them your own. These online resources include Pixabay, FreePic, and Creative Fabrica with its limited free downloads. I'm sure there are many other free resources out there as well. Just remember to respect the licenses of the images you use. You can also use Pencil Sketch, a free online tool that easily transforms images into black and white line art for use in colouring books. By using these free tools, you should be able to get started in creating and publishing your ebooks and paperbacks with no cost at all. I have provided links to all these tools in the description below. Use your social media accounts to share your completed KDP creations. And that's it. That's how you can start a Kindle Direct Publishing business without spending any money. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.